Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore access to your Discover credit card account step by step clearly. To restore access to your Discover credit card account, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type. Once the site loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on Sign In to access the login page. On the login page, look for the option that says Forgot User ID or Password. Click on this option to initiate the recovery process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Provide the required details, including your social security number and date of birth. After entering your information, click Continue. Next, you will receive a verification code via email or text message, depending on your preferences. Check your email or messages for the verification code. Once you have the code, return to the Discover website. Enter the verification code in the designated field. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. You will now be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. After confirming your password, click Submit to finalize the process. If you recover your user ID, you will see it displayed on the screen. Make a note of your user ID for future reference. Now, return to the login page to sign in with your new credentials. Enter your user ID and new password in the relevant fields. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. If successful, you will be directed to your Discover credit card account homepage. Explore your account features and settings to familiarize yourself with the interface. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Discover customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.